The sounds of footsteps of autumn.
Sizzle, sizzle, the water is boiling. Clatter, clatter, spin the spoon. Hoo, hoo, I can hear the sound of steam.
Soft and cushy, into the fluffy bed. Lee, creak outside the open door. I cannot see, but I can hear it.
Maybe right under the yellow leaves, round, round acorn jello, it's getting closer and closer.
Fluffy, fluffy, autumn leaves, there it is. Lee. Shush, be quiet. Lee.
She, kiki la 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 la. Look, a star came to hear the sound. Lee. Listen carefully. Lee. Lie down in the field and look at the stars. It's the shooting stars.
Let's make a wish on the falling stars. Eyes are closing slowly. Lee, it's getting further and further away. Good night, everyone.